Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Meijer, and Meijer has a great new sales ad. They started the buy 5 save 5 this week, so we'll go over that and how that deal works in store. There is some other great deals going on, like there is a Kimberly-Clark offer for spend 50 get $15 off, so we'll briefly mention that in the store, but I want to hold you guys up. Let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Check your store for the Secret Clinical. This is the Stress Response Clear Gel. $5.79 on clearance. It's not in the normal Secret deodorant area for me. It's on an end cap with other Secret. It's like almost hidden that it's clearance. Axe body wash is on sale for $4.99, and there's a $2 digital coupon, making it just $2.99. We have a decent deal on these Always pocket pads. This is the 22 count box. It's not tagged yet, but it's on sale for $8.99. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so that means you'll pay $7.49 at the register. You'll submit to ibotta for $3 back, making it just $4.49. Okay, so this is not the best deal, but I have one picky cat when it comes to wet food, and I feel bad because he doesn't like wet food unless it's like basically like broth. So I'm gonna be doing this deal. It's on the delectables. They're $1.29. I'm gonna be grabbing probably these ones. These look the best, like that he would eat. But you'll grab a total of 5 of them for $5.16 because we have a buy 4 get 1 free digital coupon. So I mean, it saves me $1.29, but I'm gonna have to buy something like this soon anyway. We have really good savings on the Airwick twin pack refills. They're on sale for $5.99. You'll grab 2 of them for $11.98. We have a $6 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $5.98 at the register. Then you'll take your receipt, submit it to ibotta for $1 back on each package, making it $3.98 for both. This week, Arm & Hammer products select ones are on promotion for buy one get one for $1. So you're going to grab the smaller items. You can grab the liquids, or you can grab the power packs, or you can grab the scent boosters, but you're going to grab a total of 2 for the buy one get one $1 sale. And then we have a $2 digital coupon for the liquid, a $2 digital coupon for the power packs, and a $2 digital coupon for the scent booster. So it will, if you grab 2 separate things and try to use 2 separate coupons, it should only take off $3 at the register because you're only going to pay $1 for the second one. So we'll take the max value off and round down to the dollar mark. So essentially you'll get the second item for free. All right, let's briefly talk about the Kimberly-Clark deal. So it's kind of like the PG deal that we normally have. So spend 50, get $15 off instantly. It includes Cottonelle, Huggies, Kotex, Scott, Viva, and Poison. That's why we're in front of Viva. You can mix and match with this deal with manufacturer coupons because it is a store coupon. So essentially, for example, you can grab one of these massive Viva paper towels that's on sale for $19.49. Use the $2 digital coupon, and the $19.49 will count towards your spend 50 amount. Now, if you're going to be grabbing something like Poise or Depends, I don't think there's coupons, but we have tons of ibotta rebates for those kind of things. So definitely check ibotta. We have a really good deal on Keurig K-Cups. Okay, I just learned they're called pods. I didn't know they were called. I just call them K-Cups. Whatever. Anyway, they're buy one get one free on select brands. So you can grab the Green Mountain ones, the Cinnabon ones. You can grab the Donut Shop ones. Or you can grab the McCafe ones. These are all the 10 count ones. They're all $9.99. So you can mix and match between brands. You'll grab 2 of them for just $9.99. If you like the Taco Bell craving dips, they're on clearance at my store. This creamy crunch dip one, I actually tried this one. It is $2.57. I actually really like it. Or the other 2 ones are just $3. A really good deal is on these Knorr pasta sides. They are $1.39. You can also grab the rice sides if you prefer. They're also $1.39, but grab two. And we have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making both of them $1.39. Check your rice area. We have 50% off clearance for nicer rice items. So like this tomato Fredericks thing, $1.24. We have some minute cup things, $1.04. We had some Ben's original rice packets that are $1.44. They're all gone though. These Darkest tuna pouches are just $1. I feel like that's a great deal, especially if you're grabbing like these smart bowl things. I've never tried them, but 49 cents off to try something new might be a good idea for you if you want to try them. Alright, I feel like this is a great deal, but tons of the 6 packs of soda are $3.99. We have massive savings on these Jimmy Dean protein waffles. They're $5.69. There's a 50% off total purchase, so you'll pay $2.89 for each, or $2.84 for each one. You also make ibotta for $2 back, a limit of 2, making them 84 cents per package. Craft singles are buy one get one for $1, so they're $3.99 or $4.29. But we have $1 digital coupon, making them buy one get one free. Meijer brand small pack of chicken are buy two get one free. So this is not the best deal, but if you want to try this um, lobster mac and cheese, it is really good, and it's $7.99. I got it like 75% on clearance once, and it like that's why I bought it. And I can't find it ever on clearance ever anymore. So right now they have the buy five save five. So we're gonna go quickly over how to read one of these tags if you're new. So the sale price is always listed down here in the smaller print here. And then this big number here is this, when you buy 5 or more items, this is how much it's going to ring in as. So you don't need to buy 5 of, we're looking at the Dove body wash. So you don't need to buy 5 of them. As long as you're buying 5 or more items that are part of the promotion, you'll get the $1 off of each item. So these will be $6.99. We're looking at the Dove Men Plus Care, the FIFA body washes, $6.99, and there's a $5 digital coupon for these. So in the end, it'll be $1.99. Grab one of these Dial 3-in-1 men's body wash. It is $2.99. Next, you're going to come grab one of the women's body washes that from Dial that are $2.99. So grabbing one men's and one women's, your total will be $5.98. We have a $3 digital coupon off of 2, so you pay $2.98 at the register. Then you'll take a receipt and submit it to ibotta, where we have 50 cents on the men's and 50 cents on the women's. So make them $1.98 for both. You can grab these larger pump style body lotions of Nivea. They're $5.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, so making them $3.99. And if you want to grab more, there's coupons on Checkout51 and Swag Bucks, I believe. Now, this may not be the best deal, but if you are in need of Tide, the small pads or the liquids are $3.99. And if you're like one item short of the 5, you can grab one of these to save some money. I think this is also a really good deal. It's on the Halo top. They're $2.99. They're originally $5.19, so it's like really good savings. You can grab these Jimmy Dean protein sandwiches. They're $4.99. You'll submit to ibotta for $2.25, making it just $2.74. You can grab these Yellowstone frozen meals. They are $4.79. Submit to fetch for 1,200 fetch points, making them $3.59. Select DiGiorno pizzas are $3.99. This is the cheapest that they get. So these Pillsbury products are just $1.89 as part of the promotion. You can even grab the croissants. Easy last savings is on the Tyson chicken burgers. They're $5.49 for either the bacon cheddar or the original, and they're $5.49. There's a $2 off of each digital coupon, making them $3.49. All right, so this is what my buy 5 save 5 is going to look like, and there's no deals on the croissants, but I have 2 packages of hot dogs to use up by the end of next month, and this is just the perfect time to grab these so I can meal prep and make pigs in a blanket. So we're going to be grabbing these 5 products after all digital coupons and everything for just $7.75-ish, I believe. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went perfectly fine. So I only did the buy 5, save 5 and the delectables because y'all know that I grabbed so much chicken last week. Like, I am stocked up on chicken for a while. I think the buy 5 is save 5 next week too. I might grab a couple more different kind of fruit things next week, but I really don't need like meal essential, well, like protein essentials for meals. I need the sides basically. Anyway, so I grabbed, well, just go over my receipt. So the body wash, this is one of them, and you can see it took off $1.50 for the coupon and then $1 for the buy 5 price. Then we have the other body wash, and you can see same thing, maybe, yeah. So $1.50 off, $1 off. Then we have the Dove special men's body wash. You can see it's on sale for $7.99. We took off the $5 digital coupon plus the $1 coupon for the buy 5 save 5. Then we have the cat delectables. You can see it rang in all of them, and then took off the amount for the free item. Then we have the croissant rolls. So you can see it took off $1 off of each one for the buy 5 save 5. Like I said, there's no coupons or rebates for them, but I actually needed them, so to be able to save money on them, I think is a win. So for everything before taxes, I swiped my card for what, $13? $13.91. I submitted to Ibotta for $1, making everything just $12.91. So basically I was grabbing essentials that I needed, except for really the body wash, but that's okay. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you can grab some of these amazing deals, and I will see you next time.